Hey everyone, it's Sean from Empire Drone. Today we're looking at the LiBackpack C50 mobile LiDAR scanning solution by GreenValley International. Why are we looking at a terrestrial scanning system as a drone company? Because the LiBackpack dovetails with the aerial scanning systems like the GreenValley LiDAR V70 to provide a highly comprehensive reality capture suite of products. For those who don't know what LiDAR is, let's explain what it is and how it works. LiDAR, which stands for Light Detection and Ranging, uses rapid laser pulses to illuminate a target and a sensor to measure the distance to the reflection of the laser on that target. These measurements are then used to create highly accurate and measurable 3D reconstructions of the built environment, most times in the form of a point cloud. LiDAR has applications in many industries, including construction, surveying, accident reconstruction, forestry, mining, archaeology, and more, because of its high degree of precision and accuracy. These point cloud models can be colorized when an RGB panoramic camera is thrown into the mix, like on the C50. The C50 and other mobile LiDAR units are interesting because they use advanced SLAM, which stands for Simultaneous Localization and Mapping, to map the environment around the user. SLAM uses LiDAR and IMU data to create maps in GPS-denied locations like the indoors. So enough with the definitions, let's talk about the C50. The C50 comes fully packed and ready to use in its own case. In the case, you have the scanning arm, the LiBackpack C50 main body, and various other accessories and cabling. The C50 can be used in handheld or backpack modes. It incorporates a Velodyne puck, formerly known as the VLP-16. The LiDAR sensor can scan objects up to 100 meters away with accuracy less than or equal to 3 centimeters. You are even able to see the point clouds live on a connected, wired or wireless, tablet device. This gives you the power to create some impressive 3D reconstructions. The C50 is quite easy to assemble and operate. Plug the scanner cable at the base of the scanner arm into the backpack and be sure to line up the red dots. Slip the base of the scanner arm into the top of the backpack and tighten. Plug in the battery, turn on the scanner, connect to your tablet via the backpack's Wi-Fi network or through a wired connection, and click Start to begin data collection. We will say that planning your route prior to operation is very important. Try not to circle back on your walking path. If you find yourself in an area where everything looks the same, try and shake up the route. Since the C50 relies on SLAM, it can get confused in homogeneous environments as the system tries to find differentiating qualities in each frame to stick the point cloud together. Once you've acquired your data, it can be imported and managed through GreenValley's LiDAR 360 software suite. The point cloud can be exported in popular formats to be used in any 3D modeling software. So that was a brief look at the GreenValley LiBackpack C50. Mobile LiDAR has come a long way and is augmenting many industries with accurate reality capture possibilities. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions or quote requests. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit our website and subscribe to our social media in the links below. We'll see you next time.